Hey, how are you? It's Fred. I'm Fred Meckenhag. I got this here solar wrench from my aunt and uncle. It's the same ones that gave me the electric hammer that burnt down my house. My Uncle Hank said he got this on the dark web. So from what I can gather, this is the world's very first solar-powered Crescent Wrench. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you just how powerful this Crescent Wrench actually is. Wow. The wrench does the wrenching for you. Wow. Tell the difference. So this right here is the box for which it came. This is not a toy. Take care as electric shocks may occur. Now it must be charged in direct sunlight. Now if you don't charge it for at least 31 hours, it can cause your sofa king to malfunction. If you want to learn more about how to follow directions, say hello in the comments. Subscribe. Alright, so I calculated the sun flow at this here window, and turns out that this guy gets the most direct sunlight out of any windows I know of. So that's what we're gonna do. Put this here, get that sun going, check back in tomorrow. Looking pretty good. It's good. So I'm adding tinfoil to help increase the light flow. As for the light flow, it says photosynthesis is the process of creating. So the next Adam said to Eve, it's the Berenstain, not Stein. And that's basically Titanic. 2, 1. Next time, that's 31 hours approximately. I'm excited. You see, this is Vulcan forged steel. Vulcan forged steel comes from the planet Vulcan, and it's one of the most conductive materials there is in the entire universe. So I learned my lesson last time when I got shot from the hammer. So this time, I brought rubber gloves, because rubber is not conducive to electricity. All right, so we're all geared up, we're ready to go. Power is in the off position. I'm gonna switch it on. Okay, it's on. All right, so now I've set up this device here, and I'm just gonna put it down like that. Just tighten it up like that. And everything seems to be on, but I don't see anything happening. It's moving. All right, let me just hold on to this. Maybe. Do you see that? It works. Look at that, it's wrenching all by itself. It did, it worked. Oh, this is a monumental moment for Fred Meckenhag. Thank you, Uncle Hank. It just stopped. It's not working. So clearly it's not working. All right, we're just gonna dig in here, see if we can figure out what's going on. Get in there. I'm not gonna take it all the way out because I'm starting to get nervous, starting to get a weird putrid smell coming from where I just unscrewed. I think that might have been a slight malfunction. I need to find a spot with more direct sunlight. So Martin, the guy that lives behind my dumpster, said this is the best spot with the most sunlight for direct light for charging. So I'm just gonna have to trust him. He said he'd keep an eye on it while I was away, and then I'll come back in a bit and check on it. Hey, while we're charging, have you heard about my latest NFT?
I got some bad news, y'all. Martin took the wrench.
Hey, Uncle Hank. It's me, Fred. I got some bad news. Yeah, Martin stole the wrench. No, the solar wrench. Yeah, Martin. You know, the man lives behind my dumpster? They're just laughing at me for some reason. Yeah, I hear what you're saying, but yeah, what do you mean fake? Yeah, it turned. I know it did. I swear. They don't believe me. So fucking. Yeah, I get it. Yeah. Right, that's funny. No, I get it now. So you're saying it's fake?
This episode's been an emotional roller coaster. I'm real sorry if any of y'all felt lied to or cheated or hoodwinked. I'm just trying to do my best.